Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something many of us struggle with, often silently. The connection between anxiety, the urge to eat, and the numbers on the scale. Do you ever find yourself reaching for snacks when you're stressed or anxious? Have you noticed weight gain creeping up during tough times? You're definitely not alone. It's a cycle that can feel impossible to break. But today, we're going to talk about how anxiety can lead to binge eating and obesity. And more importantly, how you can overcome it and reclaim your health. Let's first understand this cycle. When anxiety hits, our brains often crave comfort, a quick hit of pleasure to soothe those difficult feelings. And what's often readily available and provides instant gratification? Food, especially sugary, fatty, or processed foods. This isn't about lack of willpower. It's a coping mechanism. You eat, you feel a temporary sense of relief, but then comes the guilt, maybe even more anxiety, and often weight gain over time. This weight gain can then impact self-esteem and physical health, potentially fueling more anxiety. See the loop? Think about challenging periods in life, maybe intense work pressure, relationship difficulties, or just the daily grind. Many people find themselves turning to food for comfort during these times. It might manifest as ordering takeout frequently or relying on snacks, often becoming a compulsive behavior driven by the need for that momentary pleasure spike. This pattern can lead to significant weight gain over time. For some, the turning point isn't just the weight itself, but perhaps a health scare or simply realizing that their lifestyle isn't sustainable. This realization can shift focus dramatically, from wanting to lose weight for appearances, often attempted through unsustainable crash diets, to needing to change for long-term health and well-being. So, how can you break free from this cycle? It's not about a magic pill or a quick fix. It's about a holistic approach, addressing both the mind and the body. Let's break down the key strategies. 1. Address the anxiety head-on. You can't fix the coping mechanism without addressing the root cause. Seeking professional help through therapy or counseling can provide tools to manage anxiety in healthier ways. Sometimes, medication might be part of the solution under professional guidance. Don't be afraid to seek help. It's a sign of strength. 2. Move your body. Exercise is incredibly powerful for both mental and physical health. For some, discovering an activity like running, swimming, or team sports becomes a powerful outlet and stress reliever. Consistent exercise can significantly reduce anxiety symptoms. Find an activity you enjoy. Start small, but be consistent. The endorphin release is a natural mood booster and anxiety reducer. 3. Shift your relationship with food. This means moving from mindless, anxiety-driven eating to conscious choices. Educating oneself on nutrition and perhaps tracking intake can be helpful. While professional guidance from a nutritionist or dietitian is highly recommended, the core idea is to fuel your body intentionally. Recognize your triggers for binge eating. Are you truly hungry, or are you anxious, bored, or sad? Find non-food coping strategies for those emotions. 4. Set health-focused goals. Motivation becomes sustainable when the shift is from wanting to look a certain way to wanting to be healthy, to be active, to avoid future health problems, to have more energy. When your why is strong and health-focused, it's easier to make consistent choices, even when it's tough. 5. Build your support system. Joining a group with similar goals, or simply surrounding yourself with supportive friends and family, creates a positive environment that fosters consistency and motivation. Seek out people who encourage your healthy habits, not sabotage them. 6. Embrace consistency. Consistency is the real secret. Crash diets often fail because they aren't sustainable. It's the day-in, day-out commitment to better habits, managing anxiety, exercising, mindful eating, that creates lasting change. Progress isn't always linear, but showing up for yourself consistently makes all the difference. The basics work, but they require dedication. Breaking the cycle of anxiety, binge eating, and weight gain is a journey, not an overnight fix. It requires addressing your mental health, finding healthy coping mechanisms, nourishing your body properly, and building a supportive lifestyle. Real-life examples show us it's absolutely possible. If you're struggling with this, please know that you have the power to change your path. Start with one small step today. Maybe it's researching therapists in your area, going for a short walk, or choosing a healthy meal. Be patient and compassionate with yourself. What are your experiences with anxiety and eating? Share your thoughts or tips in the comments below. Let's support each other. And if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on health and well-being. Thanks for watching. Remember to take care of your mind and body. See you in the next video.